Hello, Newfoundland Adventurer here. We're looking like a little bit of weather is coming, so I'm out at the wood. So come along and I'll show you what I do. Well, we've still got lots of snow here in Newfoundland. A little bit here. So what I've been at is we've got a trail cut down to the garage. I've been at the wood a little bit, so I got my coffee. Every now and then I have a coffee break. I got no help today. So I'm trying to take it a little bit easy because my body doesn't handle this kind of physical labor for extended period of times very good anymore. But this is what I've been at so far. I've been able to dig out the tarp that I had there. So I cut up a little bit of wood there. I had my horse set up here. I sawed that up. And I got some more over here in long lengths that once I piles that in there, I'm gonna see if I gotta cut some more. Only looking to cut up a couple weeks worth and then do it again probably. Well, that's hard on the back a little bit, but gotta be done. It's not the driest, but it's all the wood I got, so hopefully I'll get the young fella to split that up now before he brings it in. Working along. It's hard and grueling work. Probably should have some K-way pants on or something, but not stopping now. Forget. Some of you are probably wondering, why is he throwing that wood? Why isn't he cutting it down closer? Well, I'm going to tell you why now. Because I usually got help. So I usually cut it down right there, it's very close. But today I didn't have any help. So I figured, rather than drag these big long sticks that I got down there, down over this bank, because that gets really slippery, and I'm not a cat anymore, so I can't catch myself. So I figured it was safer just to cut it there, drag it from there, put it there, then I just throw it down there. And that way I don't have to be trying to be very agile today. So that's the reason. Got that done. Still missing that. So I'm gonna have to haul out the chainsaw and this and cut up a little bit more. I was hoping I didn't have to do that because the chainsaw is always a little bit dangerous when it's slippery. Anyway, check back shortly. Well, for those of you who stayed here to see if I was okay, there's no gruesome footage here today. Now, for those of you who stayed here to see the gruesome footage, I don't know about you guys. Anyway, have a good day. Flying Adventure out.